To become a credit repair specialist, one must first gain a thorough understanding of credit repair practices, including credit reports, credit reporting agencies, credit scoring models, and the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This can be achieved by taking relevant courses and obtaining credit repair certifications or credentials, which will help build trust with clients. It is also essential to research and obtain the necessary licensing and legal documentation to practice as a credit repair specialist, complying with state and federal laws that regulate the industry, establishing a rapport with major credit reporting agencies, such as TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, is crucial, as it involves understanding their practices, reporting guidelines, and procedures for submitting disputes on behalf of clients. When working with clients, it is vital to assess their credit reports, identify any errors or inconsistencies, and advise them on ways to improve their credit standing. This may involve drafting dispute letters to credit reporting agencies and guiding clients through the necessary paperwork to support their disputes. Regularly monitoring the progress of credit repair endeavors and keeping clients updated on any changes or updates to their credit reports is also important. Additionally, offering guidance on establishing a good credit history, debt management, and improving credit scores can help clients achieve their financial goals. Ultimately, the key to success as a credit repair specialist is to provide top-notch services that build a positive reputation in the industry, focusing on creating successful client experiences and maintaining a good standing as a specialist. By following these steps, it is possible to establish a career as a credit repair specialist and help others achieve financial stability.